Okay, hey everyone. Good morning. So today we are starting the second part of our commencement work to get the arts diploma, and we have two steps that I'm going to be taking. We already have taken the first step of writing the essay, which was due by the end of the day today, preferably on Friday. The second step is arranging a chorale for 4 different instruments. Back in the old days, we used to, play chorales every class. And if you remember, it's sort of like a lyrical piece of music designed to be harmonically expressive, have a simple melody. And remember, it's polyphonic, so everyone is playing their own melody, and the melodies stack together vertically over time to create this polyphony, this texture that is quite lovely. So it's not like you're hearing a melody, right? You're hearing like chords. Something like that. Anyway, so I have a step-by-step plan for success for you to try writing your own chorales here. And you should have gotten something that looks like this. All right. I uploaded it to the senior classwork, and it's under the commencement exam work topic. This is going to be due this Friday, on April 16th. Not the completed exam, just this planning work. All right. Anyway, so the first step you have to take is you must choose a key. I did a simple one. I chose C major. C major. I just chose C major. And then what I did next is a little trick that I've taught some of my AP students, and I'm going to teach all of you as well. All right, so step 1, choose a major scale. And now we're going to write chords based on every degree of the major scale. If you'll notice, we have scale degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to build triads on top of each scale degree. So we're going to take the first scale degree, and I'm going to add a third and a fifth on top of that root. So if my first scale degree is C, I'm going to skip up 3 notes and 3 other notes, and I'm going to play that triad. All right. If my next scale degree is D, same thing. Add a third and a fifth on top of that. And here's what they sound like, all in order. Like root or 1, major 1, minor 2, minor 3, major 4, major 5, minor 6, and diminished 7. Back to the 1, right? So you're going to choose a key, say you choose E flat. And you're going to write out the E flat major triad. Right, and you'll write out each individual triad on top of every scale degree. If you want help doing that, I'm here to help. And then the next thing you got to do is you'll choose these Roman numerals at the bottom and put them in any order that you like. If you have a piano, it might make sense to sit down and try to hear sort of what you want your chorale to sound like. Or if you don't have a piano, then you can choose randomly the chorales. You can even repeat in a row any of the chords that you want. I chose this order, so I did 1, 4, 1, minor 6, minor 3, minor 2, a major 5, and then a 1. That's the order I chose. I know that sounds pleasing to my ear. It's at least 8 measures long. If you want to do 16 measures in your chorale, you're certainly invited to, but it has to be a minimum of 8 measures, I believe. And I'll double check that. Okay, so here's what my chorale sounds like so far. Just chords. Alright, one more time, all together. That's 1, 4, 1, 6, 3, 2, 5, 1. Kind of cool. Now, the next step is going to be arranging this into a note flight composition with 4 distinct parts, 4 different instruments, and making some kind of melody from this framework, right? So you can't choose, don't choose the same exact key that I chose. Choose a different key, and good luck today. If you need help, I'm here to help you. So fill out this chart, just the original chords in mathematical order. Then place them in any order you want. You can even copy and paste the root, third, and fifth from this chart onto here, including the numeral if you want. Choose any random order you want. Oh, one more very important thing, and I'll put this here. Make sure your chorale starts and ends on a major, on the 1, on the tonic. All right, I'll put that in the directions. Start and end on the tonic. Good luck today. If you have a question, reach out.